Hello everybody and welcome to your lesson. Today we will talk about giving directions. Es momento de mostrarle a la gente hacia dónde debe ir. Here we have some vocabulary which is basic to learn how to tell people where to go. So here we have traffic lights, roundabout, sidewalk, zebra crossing, crossroad, turn left, turn right, go straight, go past, and cross. When we talk about the prepositions that we are going to need, we will use at the corner of, en la esquina de, next to, a un lado de, opposite, opuesto a, between, entre, en medio. Here I have an example of how to use this vocabulary to create the way to say a person how to get. The question for this is, how can I get to? ¿Cómo puedo llegar a? Y el lugar depende de dónde quieras ir. How can I get to the train station? So here I have a very simple map. This is me, and this is the place I'm looking for. So here you have the instructions for me to go walking to this place. Cuando das instrucciones, puedes darlas para que la persona llegue caminando, en auto, en transporte público. Okay? So in this example, we're walking. So I'm starting here. Go straight and turn left on Apple Street. Go straight and turn left on Apple Street. Walk straight 1 block and turn right on First Avenue. Go straight and turn right on First Avenue. Go straight until Main Street. Straight until Main Street. The train station is on your right side, across from the bank. My right side is here, and the train station is across from the bank. You can also say it's opposite to the bank. Okay, so here we go again. Go straight and turn left on Apple Street. Walk straight 1 block and turn right on First Avenue. 1 block, turn right. Go straight until Main Street. Straight until Main Street. The train station is on your right side across from the bank. Train station on my right across from the bank. Okay, let's do this more fun. Okay, here we have some objects that we need to find. Aspirin, a CD, a plane ticket, a newspaper, a book, and some stamps. To buy these objects, we need to go to the correct place. So, I will give you the first example, and then it's your turn. So, I will go to look for your aspirin. You are here. You will always start at this point. So, I need to get to the drugstore. Drugstore, drug store, or pharmacy. You can also call it pharmacy. So here I go. So to go to the drugstore, walk straight on Davis Street until Main Street. Then turn left and walk straight until Maple Street. The drugstore is at the corner of Maple Street and Main Street. Here you can get your aspirin. Now you need to go get a CD, a plane ticket, a newspaper, a book, and some stamps. When you finish, you have some more practice. I have an example written for you. So how can I get to the swimming pool? Here's the swimming pool, and as usual, you will start in this place. Walk straight to Main Street. Walk straight to Main Street. Turn left, then walk straight 1 block until Maple Street, and turn right. Walk half a block, and the swimming pool is on your right. Half a block, the swimming pool is on my right, across from the park. Okay, guys? So then, go back to your exercise, and it's time for you to do it. Remember, you need to write your answers in the platform for you to be graded. If you have any questions, let us know. That's all for today. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.